Hello guys, welcome to our vlog, and today we have two great news to share with all of you what happened in this week. So let's hear it from Akhilesh.
One of the thing we wanted to discuss was there was a recent draw, and the 5,000 invitations were sent, and the CRS score dropped from 478 to 472. That is a great news, considering that people were waiting for a long time, and the score were not dropping. And if we see this trend, we can see that further the scores might drop, but not so drastically. And the people who are either in 450s, below 450s, or even in the early 460s might struggle to get the invitation in the coming recent future draws. And although the people in the later part of the 460s still have a strong chance, but we would want to suggest for them that in during this time to wait for your invitation, you can try to improve your score. As we all know, there are only 2 to 3 metrics on which we can improve our scores. One of them being the IELTS score. If you have not maxed out on that score, I would suggest that go improve your all those test scores from IELTS. The second part is the French. For French, you can do self learning from the apps like Duolingo. There is a one app called Bosu. Then there are other apps for language learning. Simultaneously, you can try to go to the institute route as well. There are institutes like Alliance Francais who provide a really quality education in French, and this will not only help you increase your CRS score, but in turn when you come to Canada you will see that you have a better edge again in terms of the employment, to showcase to the employer that you have an additional skill, because we know that French is a second language here in Canada, and it can be really helpful in your career in long term. The third option was of the professional education. If you haven't done a master's or a PhD and you have scope to do that, you can either do complete that education and increase your CRS score by few points. Then the fourth options we do have, and a lot of people are recommending and talking about, is the education in Canada itself. So you can come here on a student visa and get good Canadian education, and in turn get work permit and go through the PR route by that. So those are the four things I would suggest for the people who are in that score range. It would take a longer time rather than waiting. And one of the options available is PNP route also. You can go for that route as well, because it sometimes take time for PNPs to get, but then it's a really good chance that we need to see. And for the other news we want to share is,
Yes, so the other news was that it was our anniversary. But before moving to that, I would also like to share our experience, what happened with us. So, as we are talking about this course, so it just reminded me. So, when we were giving and we were preparing to, we tried to focus more on IELTS, and Akhilesh was able to get a very good score in IELTS in the next attempt, and then we able to reach to 466, and the cutoff at that time was around 459 when we received our ITA. So I just wanted to say that if we can do it, then you can also do it. So just keep trying
yeah.
and it can definitely happen.
So yeah, and we wish you all the best for those who are trying to crack that score and get the invite. We hope that you all get those soon, and the ones who have already got, again, congratulations to all those, and see
Yay!
you soon on the other side.
Yeah.
There are many resources as well for preparing your documents for the ITAs, and you can even share any of the questions if you're having regarding the documents. We would be more than happy to share the experiences we have based on our process. Yeah.
Yes, and you can follow us on Instagram and message us over there. So Instagram is Chills Thrills. So now I would move to the second news, and you can also see our background stories on Instagram. So the second news was that this week we celebrated our anniversary, second marriage anniversary, and it was great. Although we had huge plans to visit and cover one of the beautiful place to chill and thrill, that was Victoria Island. But unfortunately, due to COVID, every the plan was not successful. And but it's okay. Safety is the topmost priority.
Yeah.
Yeah. So then we decided to go for just for a dinner, few drinks to Granville Street, which you will see in the upcoming video. That's a very peppy street, and a lot of young crowd come over there, and there are a lot of bars and restaurants. The only drawback is again because of COVID, only
Yeah.
patios were open, but still it was fun. Hello! As you can see, winters are here and today is our anniversary. So we just went out to downtown and you will see glimpse of downtown Vancouver. It's on the Granville Street. So we are exploring some drinks, some good food, and yeah, and the area in which we live is quite quiet, right, Akhilesh? And then
Yeah.
this area is quite peppy, so we really enjoy coming over here.